Hey guys, welcome back to another cadet tutorial and info video. In this video, I'll explain the adult ranks. For those who have been requesting this has been a long wait, so here it is. First, PI. PI stands for Potential Instructor. It is the absolute lowest in the ranks. Next, Sergeant. The Sergeant is the lowest power rank in the detachment. Next, Staff Sergeant. They can also be known as Color Sergeants. Next, CSM or Company Sergeant Major. The senior cadet leader for a company, responsible for training, morale, welfare, and discipline, acting as the primary advisor to the company commander on the state of the cadets, etc. They're also represented by a large crown instead of the smaller crown I will show you later. Next, RSM or Regimental Sergeant Major. Next, Second Lieutenant. Next, Lieutenant. Next, Captain. This rank has 3 pips. Next, Major. This is the rank that has the smaller crown on it. Next, Lieutenant Colonel. Next, Colonel. This is the highest adult rank you will probably ever see. Hope this helped. Let me know if you guys want me to explain further ranks, and I'll try get the video out ASAP. Bye.